Hi everyone, this is Ziad from the Z Tech channel. I'm here today to talk about this product here, Arimic. I just bought it and I want to share this experiment with you guys. I just want to mention one thing before I begin. The camera I use, it's Panasonic G7, and I made actually a video for it, and I will put the link below in the description. This sound you are here now, it's minus 12 dB. It's just sitting in the camera without any microphone. Let's go. So guys, as you see, this is the package of the microphone. As you see here, the name of this product is Arimic label microphone, and here you can see the performance of this microphone, terrace connection, new improved audio, compatible with Android and iOS device, and also compatible with DSLR cameras here. Also with this product you have two choice with the wire. If you want the wire 1.5 meter or with 5 meters. Let's open the package now. This is the case of this microphone. Actually it's smooth and soft, really. Nothing inside. This is the microphone themselves. Two dual microphone, two dual channel, as you see here. This is 3.5. This is for wind. Can put it on the microphone. Two of them. And this one is also 3.5, and this one is also additional. As you see, we have two of them, and this one also to connect it or put it in your phone or in your DSLR, then you can record. Actually this is very useful. Even if you have headphone, you can use it, and then you can record from your headphone. Actually you just need it, and then you can use it with your headphone or what kind of headphone you are. So let's go. So guys, in this video you are going to see 3 different dB. Actually the first one, this one, it's minus 12 dB, and I will put the dB on 0 and also plus 6. I want to see you the situation where I stand. I just stand on the street. I have here like a lot of cars throwing from here, and here also this for train, because we have train station here. So let's go to the next one. This test is 0 dB. As you can see, also wear the mic on my chest, almost in my chest, and not too far away from my mouth. This test is plus 6 dB. I want also to mention that today it's not that windy. Actually it's just a little bit windy, so, and also the wind is changing, a little bit high, a little bit low, so that's it. This time guys, with windy cap, it's also plus 6 dB, and I hope you can recognize the difference between the noise with dB. This time guys, it's 0 dB. The difference between dB, if you don't know what is the difference between dB in camera, of course this mic don't have that option to make also the dB low, but some microphone have that choice and make the dB like minus 10 or minus 20 with Rode. Now this is the last one. This is minus 12 dB. and I hope this video is useful for all of you, and if you like my video, please share it with your friends, and yeah, if you like my video, give it a like, share and subscribe, and see you with the next product, and peace.